Welcome back to episode 2 of our wig maintenance series. So today's episode I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly wash and shampoo your wigs at home. This is basically what I do after I take my wigs off. Part 1 was how to remove the glue off your lace, and part 2 is going to be how I wash my wigs, get all of the residue off, and bring them back to life. So these are the 2 wigs I'm working with, a curly wig and my kinky straight wig. So these are the products you're going to need. So I use Dawn, 2 different shampoos, a moisturizing conditioner, and also my deep conditioner with the crystal clear added into the mix. So I'm just going to go in, saturate my wig completely, make sure that the whole wig is soaking wet. As you can see, this wig is very dry. It needs some loving, some TLC. So we are going to revive and moisturize these curls. So these wigs actually weren't as dirty as some people. Like I said before, I don't wear my wigs for long periods of time, so I don't really have a whole lot of buildup, but this is how I shampoo my wigs to get the Dawn mixture out for me cleaning the lace. So I'm going in here with the moisturizing shampoo because, like I said, this wig is dry, so I need to go ahead and add as much moisture back as I can. I'm just going to go in and work that in on the frontal mainly because that is where the Dawn mixture was, and then I'm going to work my way down to the ends with this shampoo. Shampoo can be stripping and drying depending on the shampoo that you use. I personally always use a moisturizing shampoo. When I do have a lot of residue and my wigs are kind of gunky, then that's when I use the Come Clean shampoo to get all of that off. Then I go in with the moisturizing shampoo to follow up and add that moisture back in.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk inside.
So this is personally my favorite part of the washing process. Now we're going to go in with the moisturizing conditioner. So I'm just going to get as much of this product on, work it into every little curl, every strand, really work that into the wig. I let it sit for like a minute or two before I go in and start detangling the wig. First I do finger detangle to try and get like the bulk of that, I hate the word nappy, but the bulk of the nappiness out, and then I go in with one of my detangling brushes just to start detangling those curls, and I go from end to root or end to lace, however you want to call it, just to make sure that I'm not pulling any extra hair. When you go from lace to the end, you will get more tangling, more shedding than what you would if you do end to lace. So just make sure you always start at the bottom and work your way up, and that is how you're going to be able to detangle the wig the easiest and not lose so much hair. Also, please remember to take your time. Trying to rush the process is what is going to cause extra shedding and tangles and just a big hassle. So just take your time, go through the process really smooth. This clip is sped up 2 times, so that's why it seems like I'm going so fast and so rough, but I'm really not.
Get it, got you a whip, you ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell her, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know.
Now this is a curly custom wig from my collection, so all the details, like always, will be down in the description box. And the second wig we're working with, that is one of our ready to wear wigs, which will also be down in the description box. So just make sure you check that for all the products, wigs, all of that good stuff.
Shawty, you try it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and got it. Deja vu, deja, deja. She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
So now we're going to get into how to co-wash your wigs. So I recommend this way if you guys wear your wigs on a regular basis, but you wear them glueless, meaning you take them off every night. Basically, you get up, put it on for work, school, whatever the case may be. I recommend washing your wig this way because you do not need to use shampoo every single time you wash your wig. It will start to make your wig dry depending on the shampoo you use. So I recommend just co-washing your wig. If you wear your wig for a week at a time or a couple days at a time, however long, co-wash it weekly. Co-wash your wig weekly. You'll be able to see a big difference in the longevity of your wig, as well as the shininess and the luster and all of that good stuff. So just make sure you co-wash your wig weekly and then shampoo every 2 to 3 weeks.
You can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Cricket think show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pillar like a button. Can't put time for it. Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now,
but I'm just going through the same process as I did with the curly wig. I saturate the whole wig in conditioner, then I let it sit for like a minute or two, and then I go in and start detangling, getting all those tangles and kinks out. And this is how the wigs came out after I let them air dry. So I just sit them out, let them air dry. It normally takes about a day to fully be completely dry. And here is what they look like. Now this is no product added to this curly hair. This is just what they look like after being washed and air dried. I will be doing a video on how to properly define your curls, but look at this. Do y'all see this? Beautiful.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait. Sometimes it's hard to major distractions involve you. For enough time to jot your thoughts.
And this is the kinky straight wig, and it's beautiful, thick texture. Like I said, this is just air dried, and this is how the wig looks. The shine, the luster, everything. So I'm going to be showing you guys also with this video. I'm doing a photo shoot, so I'll show you guys how this wig looks once it's finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying, do you feel your mind?